BitFuFu Mining Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cloud mining is an easy way to earn crypto, but you won't believe what happens next when fees and hardware limitations quietly eat profits. BitFuFu is a cloud mining platform that claims to allow users to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without owning physical hardware. You simply purchase mining contracts and receive payouts based on hash power. The surprising truth about BitFuFu is that cloud mining is only profitable if electricity costs, contract fees, and maintenance fees are carefully considered. Many users overestimate potential returns, especially in volatile crypto markets. Most people get this wrong. They think buying a mining contract guarantees profit. In reality, mining difficulty and cryptocurrency price fluctuations can reduce earnings, sometimes below the initial investment. BitFuFu is best for experienced crypto users who understand mining economics and risk tolerance. The surprising truth is that while cloud mining can be convenient, profits are never guaranteed. Subscribe for more honest crypto and mining platform reviews that keep your investments safe.